Hello everyone, this is my practice log. I've made it out of an old WILKA log. And currently I've repinned it with 4 pins, 3 spools and 1 standard pin. And all key pins are serrated. So, and now I will show you what is inside. Here on the end I've got a snap ring so that I can easily change it. My follower is a wooden piece, and so here, this is the key. So and this is pin 2. And 3. So, as I said, no, this one is not serrated, but these 3 are serrated. And in the Bible is, where's my tweezers? Standard pin. One spool, second spool, and here's the other. And as always, thanks for watching.